Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hey, Marco. Good morning. Whew, I'm not fully awake yet.
Morning, Clara. I can see that. Did you have your coffee?
No, I was running late. I need to get to university soon. You?
I need to get to the office too. Let's buy our tickets.
Wow, this machine is new. The old model was here.
Yeah, it looks more modern. It has an English button. Good.
Okay, I need a single ticket. I always struggle with these machines.
Don't worry. I'll help you. First, select your destination.
I want to go to Central Park. How do I select it?
Tap on this touch screen. See, here's the list of stations. Find Central Park.
Found it. Now do I tap on it?
Wait. First, you need to see if you want a one-way or a round-trip ticket.
Oh, you're right. I'll probably take the bus back, so I'll buy a one-way.
Good. Now, the number of tickets. 1. Then, payment method. Will you pay cash or by card?
I have a credit card, but I'm scared it won't work.
Don't stress. It usually works fine. Just tap your card here.
Okay. Wow, it worked! The ticket and receipt came out. Excited. Thanks, Marco.
You're welcome. Now, my turn. I need to go to the financial district.
Is your station on this list? Let me help. Wonder. It's not here. Maybe it's under a different name.
Maybe it's city center. Try that.
Found it! City Center is correct. Are you also getting a one-way?
No, I have a few places to go today. I'd better get a day pass.
Wonder. A day pass. What does that mean?
It means you can ride the metro as many times as you want until the end of the day. It's more cost-effective for me.
What a great idea! I didn't know that. How much does it cost?
It's about twice the price of a regular ticket, but it's worth it if you ride more than twice.
I'm exhausted. I went to bed late last night.
Me too. I just want another cup of coffee. Oops, the machine isn't accepting my card.
No, really? Why?
I don't know. Maybe a network issue? I can use cash. Let me see how much change I have.
I can lend you some money if you need it.
Thanks, Clara, but I think I have enough. Yes, that did it. My ticket came out.
Awesome. Our little ticket buying adventure.
Yeah, you learn something new every day. Remember to keep your ticket to exit at your destination station.
Oh, that's right. I forgot once and got stuck. Upset. It was so embarrassing.
It happens to everyone. Come on, let's go. Our train is coming soon.
Wait, Marco, one more question. What if I lose my ticket?
If you're inside the station, you have to buy a new one. There's no other way.
Then I have to be very careful.
By the way, have you checked your phone? There's a great app for the metro. Maps, schedules, and you can even buy e-tickets.
Really? What's it called?
City Transit. I use it. It's much more convenient.
I'll definitely install it. Thanks for the info.
Anytime. Now we really should go. Do you hear the train?
Yes, let's run.
Take it easy. Watch the steps.
Okay. Wow, it's so crowded today.
It's rush hour. It's always like this. Try to stand near the door to get off easier.
Good tip. How many stops do you have?
6 stops. It takes about 20 minutes.
10 stops for me. About 35 minutes. Perfect time for a nap.
Just don't miss your stop.
I'll try not to. Well, we're finally on the train. Thanks again for the help with the ticket.
Anytime. See you tomorrow, too.
Definitely. Maybe we can have coffee together before the metro tomorrow.
Great idea. 8 o'clock in front of the cafe?
Perfect. Now let me rest a bit. I'm so drowsy.
That's fine. I want to check the news, too. Have a good trip, Clara.
You too, Marco. Thank you.